to my cooking tutorial. I'm your host, the Terminator. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect omelette. Let's get started. Now that we've gathered our ingredients, we must first terminate the eggs into a bowl. Gently. This is not how you crack egg. I'll be back. I'm back with more eggs. If you do not know the ingredients to the recipe, you can look them up on my post on skynet.com/theterminator. These eggs cannot self-terminate. I must aid them. They are whisked. Next step. It's time to season. For this step, I'm going to use just salt and pepper. You want your omelet to pack a punch. Salt brings the flavor. The pepper brings that little bit of spice, which can take your dish over the top. To keep my eggs from sticking, I use Pam, the only non-stick spray, or your eggs will stick around. Butter really is such a great ingredient. We are now going to let it cook until it readily gets off the pan. Remember, Pam, the #1 non-stick spray. You're going to want to make sure it cooks evenly. That way when you flip, there will be no stickiness. Watch it carefully. Going to pick it up from the edge and flip it over. Oh, that was perfect. Now my mission is complete. You know how to make the perfect omelette. But remember, be careful with those eggs. I'll be back next week on my next show. But for now, although I do not require sustenance, delicious.